Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Serum crypto coin on the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the invest section, which is on the left side of the screen. And the invest section, you have two ways to invest in cryptos. You can either go to the search bar and type in the crypto that you are looking for, Serum for us right now, or you can go on and browse the list, which can also be a useful tool because you might find some crypto gems that you wouldn't if you just looked up your crypto in the search bar. So when you found the one that you would like to invest in, just tap on it, which is going to open up the crypto page. And here you can see some information about the crypto, the statistics regarding this crypto in the last period, for the last hour, day, week, 1 month, 3 months, and 1 year. Obviously, when you scroll even below that, you can see the volume traded in the last 24 hours, the popularity, the market capital, which is 300 million for Serum, the circulating supply of Serum, and a short description about Serum. And below that, you can see the news regarding this crypto. Now, when you have decided if you want to invest in this crypto, you just have to tap on buy, which is going to open up the buying page, where you can go on and invest the amount of money that you would like in this crypto. I won't do that right now because I don't want to share my informations here on the YouTube, on the internet. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.